Good morning and welcome to a new day. Each sunrise is an invitation, a blank canvas where you can paint your intentions and set the tone for what lies ahead. Today we'll explore mindful morning routines that can transform your day and elevate your spirit. As you awaken, take a moment to embrace the stillness of the morning. Allow your mind to settle like the dust in a sunbeam. Breathe in deeply, and let it out slowly. Feel the peace of this moment. Before diving into the busy day, let's take a few moments to awaken the body. Simple stretches can help release tension and cultivate mindfulness. Reach your arms up toward the sky, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. Inhale, and exhale as you fold forward, letting go of any stress. Next, let's nourish the body. Begin with a glass of water, a simple act that revives and rejuvenates. As you sip, be aware of each drop, appreciate the gift of hydration and how it fuels your day. When you're ready, prepare a wholesome breakfast. Choose ingredients that vibrate with life like fresh fruits, whole grains, and natural yogurt. Now let's embrace the experience of mindful eating. With each bite, savor the flavors, the textures, and the aromas. Acknowledge each taste, let gratitude fill your heart for the nourishment you are receiving. Remember, this moment is just for you. Once nourished, let's turn inward. Find a quiet space and take out your journal. Have you ever noticed how writing can clear the mind? Jot down your thoughts, your dreams, and what you're grateful for. Set an intention for your day ahead, something that brings you joy or focus. Now, let's take a moment of stillness. Close your eyes and let the world fade away. Focus on your breath. Inhale positivity. Exhale negativity. Allow thoughts to float by like clouds, without judgment. This is your moment of escape, a reminder that within stillness lies strength. Step outside if you can. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Listen to the whisper of the wind. Engage with nature, it offers beauty and balance. This connection grounds you and reminds you of life's simple joys. As you transition from morning to day, carry your mindful spirit with you. Embrace each task, each conversation as a chance to practice mindfulness. Remember your intention. Each action can be done with awareness, amidst the bustling world. Thank you for joining us on this journey of mindful morning routines. May each day be filled with awareness, intention, and serenity. Embrace the magic within the mundane and remember, every morning is a fresh start.